Welcome to this lesson on using the OpenAI API for intrusion detection in firewall logs. In today's cybersecurity landscape, firewalls that generate an immense amount of log data. Manually reviewing these logs for potential threats can be time-consuming and error-prone. This is where AI, especially the OpenAI API, comes into play. By leveraging its language model, we can automate the analysis of firewall logs and detect unusual malicious activities. Here, we will install Pandas for handling our firewall logs. Pandas is a Python library that provides data structures and functions designed to make data manipulation simple and effective. Run the following command to install the necessary libraries. Pip install pandas. Then after that, create folder for our Python. I'll name it firewall detection. Then add env file and add your OpenAI secret key. Here's the sample of that env file. Before we dive into analyzing the logs, let's briefly discuss firewall log. This log contains crucial information like the source IP, destination IP, port, protocol, and whether the action was allowed or denied. Our goal here is to detect potential threats such as multiple denial action or access to unusual ports. Here's the sample of firewall logs.csv file. Now we'll use Pandas to load and display the firewall logs. This will allow us to manipulate data and send it to OpenAI for analysis. We load the CSV file and take a look at the first few rows to ensure everything is in order. Here, we load the .env. Then step 2, get OpenAI API key from env file. Then step 3, process the firewall logs. Read the CSV. Then after that, display the first few rows of data frame to verify the data. Next, analyze firewall logs for intrusion detection. Here's the code that formats the logs into a prompt and send it to the OpenAI model. Here we created def analyze log with OpenAI. Then here's the role and role user. Then we use client chat completion that create GPT 3.5 turbo. Then here access the content from the response. Instead of manually analyzing each set of logs, we'll automate the process. This script will send batches of logs to OpenAI and analyze the responses for any sign of malicious activity. Here, we analyze the logs in batch at given size. Then we use for I in range. Here, then print analyze for logs. This way, we can process hundreds or thousands of logs efficiently and get detailed feedback on potential threats. If you want to tailor the analysis, you can customize the prompt for specific types of threats. For example, if you're only interested in detecting port scanning or brute force attempts, you can modify the prompt like this. Here you are a cybersecurity expert tasked with identify specific type of threats in firewall logs. Analyze the following firewall logs for any signs of threat type or log entries. By doing this, you can fine-tune the AI focus and improve detection accuracy. Once the analysis is done, we can store the result and even set up alert for critical threats. For example, if the analysis detects a brute force attack or port scanning, we can log the information and trigger an alert. Here, step 7, logging and alerting. Trigger an alert if any critical threats are found. Then step 8, applying logging and alert function. Then here, running the log analysis. Then here's process and analyze logs. Then custom threat analysis example. And then the last one is the log result and check fault alerts. This approach makes the entire process not only automated but also actionable in real time. Then type Python firewall.py. Then here's the output of our code using Python. Here's the log entry 1 and log entry 2. And here is the performance custom analysis. It's a custom threat analysis output. And here's the SQL injection output. In this lesson, we've successfully demonstrated how to use the OpenAI API to automate the process of identifying potential threats from firewall logs. By leveraging the power of OpenAI's GPT 3.5 Turbo model, we are able to load the preprocessor firewall logs using Panda, send log data to OpenAI for analysis, allowing it to detect potential security issues such as brute force attempts or port scanning. Customize the analysis to focus on specific threats and log the result for further review. Implement an automated process that analyzes logs in batches, store the result, and trigger alert for critical threats. This method not only helped in automating cybersecurity tasks but also enhanced accuracy and efficiency of threat detection in log data. In practice, this setup can easily be integrated into real-time monitoring system, giving security teams a powerful tool to stay ahead of potential threats. Thank you for following along, and I hope you see the potential of AI in enhancing your cybersecurity practices.